Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on mono audio on your Windows 10 computer. So generally speaking, most modern headphones use a stereo configuration, meaning that they play on two different audio channels, which are commonly referred to as left and right audio. I'm going to show you guys how to enable mono if you just want to combine both stereo tracks into one track. So pretty straightforward process here, guys, and we're going to go about how to do that, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. It should say turn mono audio on or off. Go ahead and left click on that. Where it says turn on mono audio, go ahead and just toggle that to the on position. And like I said, it combines the left and right audio channels into one channel. So again, very straightforward process there, guys. Once you're done with that, close it here. And like I said, that should be about it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.